Hey everyone, I'm Alex, and today we're going to be taking a look at some equipment that's available for students to rent out at the University of Waterloo's Stratford School of Interaction Design and Business. Today we're going to be looking at the Cameron RL-160 bicolor LED light ring, so let's take a look. Alright, so we have our power cord here, which is going to connect to the power supply, and that's going to connect to the ring light as a whole. In order to use this, you're going to connect these brackets right here to this piece. This piece is going to go on top of your tripod, and these brackets are going to connect this piece to the ring light. But I'm going to show you a very quick demonstration of how to set it up. So in order to operate the light, we're going to have to switch it to either cable or battery based on our power source. Since we're plugged in right now, I'm going to switch it to cable, and that is going to turn the light on. Behind the light, you have the option to play with two knobs. One of them will control the brightness, so you can go anywhere from 100% to 0, somewhere in between. The second knob will control the color temperature. So we have like a warmer 3000, it can go all the way up to a cooler 5600. In addition to those two knobs, we have 4 quarter switches, which will control the different pieces of the light, so you can adjust that to how you like. So this is designed to fill your shot with light, and because of its circular shape, it's going to give your subject a nice ring-shaped glow in their eyes, and because of this, it's really great for portrait photography or videography. But there you have it, the Cameron RL-160 bicolored LED ring light. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and feel free to drop a question or a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and feel free to come check out this lighting for yourself at the Stratford School.